You mentioned Ernest Becker's terror management theory, the idea that like by trying to upload our brain to machines or freezing our bodies or even dismissing the importance of having a body, we're trying to like separate ourselves from other animals, because if we think of ourselves in the same category as other species, like the fear of death is just too prominent.
There's a lot of interesting links between human exceptionalism and sort of fear of mortality and therefore the denial of our own animality. And they've done all sorts of studies, like interesting studies where they prime people with thoughts of death, and then they test, whether they're more likely to support notions of human animal similarity or try to separate them more. And there's absolutely a relationship between, denying death and denying our own animal bodies and natures, right? And it seems very much at the root of this whole like transhumanist movement that we can just we can upload our brains to a machine or preserve our bodies. And I think it comes back to this notion of individualism. Like if we really believe that we're just individuals and that when we die, that's like the end of us entirely, as opposed to like, no, we become others, or we've taught others and lived and worked with and raised others. And, we're not even fully human. We're composed of all these other beings. Like it's a very, I think, sort of not understandable, but like, I see it as a more reasonable response in like to fear death if we really think we're just individuals and it totally ends with us.